welcome to my channel. No, we are not having sleepover today, but I need my sofa for one specific exercise, okay? If you're here for the first time and you're a beginner in being beginner, please go to the lesson number 1. This is cool, you can't skip lessons, okay? See you in a bit. Thank you. If you're here for the first time, but you're not beginner in being a beginner, you already know the exercises, now you want to spice up your game at home, you can stay here. Today we are starting with lower body A with weights. Great, welcome. If you're here since the beginning of the school, you watched all the videos, you've done your all homework, first of all, I'm so proud of you and I'm very, very grateful to you as well. And I hope you're proud of you more than I am proud of you, okay? So I hope you're ready because today, as I said, things will get spicier. Good. I hope you took yourself seriously. As I told you, buy one pair of dumbbell, nothing else. 30 euros, 50 euros. For some people, unfortunately, that's also a lot of money, but for most of you, I hope that amount is not significant and you can afford it. Our first exercise for legs, lower body A, if you saw it, was squats. Okay, today we will do squats with some dumbbells. First, let's warm up those hips a bit. Nothing crazy because also we are not doing real workouts here. We are just learning the movement and we will slowly progress. Okay, switch direction, up and in. Okay, good. Then let's do 5 bodyweight squats. Remember, you keep the feet hip width apart or a bit wider, just so that you're stable. Then we go down, bending our knees in line with our toes, upper body straight as possible, coming up, keeping neutral position of your spine, not rounding. Inhale, exhale. One more. We can start with picking up one dumbbell elegantly off the ground. Okay, if you're holding only one dumbbell in your hands, you will do it this way. For the head, on your chest. If you hold it this way, same rules apply. Hold it close onto your chest and everything else stays the same. Let's do 5 repetitions. Inhale, exhale. To be honest, I prefer this way. If that felt super easy, you feel confident, or you just want to try, let's try it with both of them. Let's do only few repetitions, and then you will decide which version you want to do together with me. 10 repetitions. Okay. We have 2 options here. No, 3, I'm sorry. If you hold both weights, make sure you pick it up with nice, good form. Okay. One version is to keep the weights in your hands on the sides. In that case, our feet have to be hip width apart. If it's wider, we'll make it complicated because of the weight here, okay? So keep feet hip width apart and weights on your legs. And then we go same movement pattern, down and up, okay? Down and up. Even though we are holding weight here, we are not doing deadlifts. I will show you next time we do legs how we do that. Other option is holding weights here. Then you can also go a bit wider with your feet to be comfortable. Just make sure always your knees follow the toes, okay? And then my best version is to just rest the weight on my shoulders, then my arms do nothing except just touching the weights and holding them from falling down. My arms don't get tired, okay? So it's all leg work. Try this one as well. Down and up. Okay, now please pick any version that you prefer to do today. With this one, if you're holding weight on your shoulders, you need to find a spot where it doesn't hurt your bones. It will still not be comfortable. Let's be clear about that. but just that it's stable and it's not really painful. Okay, let's go 10. 1, control on the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm still not doing squats as my exercise for legs because of this thingy here, you know, but squats are amazing exercise for legs and glutes, and when you work out at home you cannot skip them. You don't have excuse as I do, okay? And I mean, with lighter weights nothing bad can happen to me. It's just my knee is not ready for more yet. I have my own ways. As we're taking a short break from doing legs with the weights, I would like to speak about something else. You see, on this side we have nutrition. On this side we have exercise. They go perfectly together, but there are still two separate things in your life, okay? And if you're just starting and trying to make exercise as a habit and taking step by step to make sure you don't quit this time, if we simultaneously, because now things are getting more intense and you feel like you're doing something, you immediately reduce the calories, you eat only healthy because if you exercise you must do so, you can make that instead of having this nice alignment, you make this alignment with food and nutrition that it's not healthy, because then you feel obligated. If you exercise you need to eat perfectly, and then if it happens that for some reason you don't eat perfectly, you don't exercise and you just neglect it. So let's start as we did step by step. Just trust me, along the way we will talk about nutrition. I will help you to change your habits, but right now our mainly focus is just to implement exercise as part of your life and as part of who you are. If we start making too big steps in the beginning, you will just stop doing those steps. If it's too far, it's easier to quit. We do small ones, you know, like that. So I want you to see exercise as one thing, nutrition as the second, and then along the way they will join. Right now we want to make sure you exercise and you don't create unhealthy relationship between food and exercise. Believe me, I've been there, done that. It's not good. Just try to enjoy learning new patterns, lifting something heavy, feeling good and strong, or maybe first week, that's also fine. You will get stronger, and then we'll focus on the rest as well. Believe me, too much at once is not optimal and you will quit, as you probably have many times before. Okay, now I think I'm ready to continue. Our second exercise were lunges. Okay, we step. Oi! Don't do my mistake. You need to make this front foot very stable, not move on any other side. On any side you will lose the balance. And now we will do it with weights. If for you already holding one weight for squats was very challenging, then stay with one for lunges as well. So you hold one here or this way, okay? And then we do the same. Okay, if squats with one weight was very easy and you chose to do with both, now we can do lunges with both as well. Here in this case, the best option is just hold the weight on the sides in your hands. Remember, anytime we hold any weight in our arms, we need to activate the shoulder blades. We don't want to let our shoulders hang around our spine. We want to keep our spine firm, okay? No spaghetti. Okay, let's do 20 in total. Less exercises we will reduce, okay? Inhale. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Press into the front foot. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you notice that from down going up, your spine is like fighting to come up, reduce the load, okay? We have 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring the weight down. We have 2 more exercises that are more advanced than these ones before. If you already struggle doing these exercises with 1 or 2 dumbbells you have, the next 2 progressions you don't have to do yet. So if you're following a home workout where the person is doing our next exercise, split squat, where I prefer to start on the ground, find a position where my shin is diagonal, and here I'm on my toes, 90-degree angle in my knee. I go up and down and up. So if the person in the video is doing this exercise and you struggle to hold balance, you cannot do it with weights, keep doing the lunges, because also here when we do one side and then we switch to the other, you still feel both legs, okay? So you don't need to feel frustrated that you cannot do the same what the person is doing. You don't need to take a break and cry because you cannot do it. Just do the same muscle group, different exercise. Yeah? Let's do it. This time, we'll do only 5 per side. As I said, this is not workout. If you continue doing 10-10, it will start to feel like real workout. And we will do that very soon. Good. Put the weights on the side. If you're doing with one weight, in this case, you can hold it here or like this, or even better, you hold it in your hand on the same side where your leg is behind, okay? And then you need to bring the shoulder up and away from your ear. You don't want to hold it like that or let it hang. You want your spine stable, your hip bones parallel. You don't want to do it like that. We are not doing any spine movement here, okay? And then we go 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Pick your own version. I need to pretend that I'm the strongest here and do both weights. 1, 2, 3. Don't move your front foot as I did. 4 and 5. Slowly switch side. Here now we are focusing more on quads. Try to keep the shin diagonal with knee above your toes. I mean vertical with your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your glutes will be anyway engaged here, but we still can make some tweaks to engage the glutes even more. Our last exercise and progression for leg exercises is Bulgarian split squat. So this was regular split squat, and then we need some elevation. I have my sofa, so I will use it. We want to make sure that our ankle is on the edge of the elevation, okay? I will start on my weak side, on my left. I know approximately already where my position is, but if you're not sure, sit only with your glutes, extend your both legs, and push yourself up. Then other foot goes back, and here you have the position. But see now, if you want more quadriceps focus, you will keep shin diagonal, you will keep upper body straight, okay? Up, slowly down with control, and up. But if you want more butt, you will, as you're down, move your foot. So here you can stay with shin vertical, 90-degree angle, and upper body slightly lean forward. Okay, then it means you're going up with keeping the upper body the same position and moving your hips backwards and down to keep the shin vertical. Here at the bottom, you should feel full stretch in your glutes and come up. If you don't have enough space for the movement and you find that your back leg is touching the ground, then you don't have the most optimal movement, because here we want the most resistance, okay? And then if when you come down, your knee is down and you're just resting, that's not it. So try not to keep the knee on the ground. Stay a bit up and come all the way up, okay? Now we can also choose which option we want to do. If you already struggle with Bulgarians just body weight, keep doing it body weight. If you feel ready, we take one dumbbell. In this case, we also hold it the same way as for the split squat. Okay, remember, lean forward for glutes, keep upper body straight and knee forward, okay? And then we go 5-5 only, okay? I will do quad dominant once for change, and let's go. 1, slow and control. 2, keep the knee straight instead of rounding in and out on the way up and down. Last one, I think. And up. What is also okay to take break between the switching sides. If you're so advanced, of course you can do Bulgarians with both legs, but my assumption is that most of you are beginners and Bulgarians are already advanced, even just body weight. So your goal in future should be to do with both weights. I will show you how to hold it, but I will not also do it today. Okay. So find a position, engage, and up and down. Okay, now we have 5 more on the other side, even though now I'll have 7, but my right leg is already stronger than my left one, so if I do 2 more reps today, what's that compared to years of working on my left side trying to catch up the right one? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's all for today. Remember, our focus is now to be active, to bring exercise in your life, to do these homeworks, to spread them throughout the day. You don't have to do them everything at once. And now the main real reason why we are actually here. Subscribe if you haven't or else have found you. Share, comment, like, and be proud of yourself. And see you next time. Lots of love. Bye bye.